Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp communication with automated Google Sheet magic? First, head over to Zapier and hit that Create Zap button to kickstart your automation journey. Now, let's set up Google Sheets as our trigger. Search for Google Sheets and select it as the app that will start our Zap. In the Choose Trigger section, select New Spreadsheet Row. This will tell Zapier to watch for any new data added to your sheet. Next, connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. You'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Sheets data. Now, specify which spreadsheet and worksheet you want Zapier to monitor for new rows. Choose carefully to ensure the right data is being tracked. Time to test the trigger. Click Test Trigger to pull in some sample data from your Google Sheet. This confirms Zapier is connected and reading your data correctly. Now for the action, search for Aisensy and select it as the app that will perform the action. Under Choose Action Event, select Send WhatsApp Message. This will trigger a WhatsApp message to be sent whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Connect your Aisensy account to Zapier. You'll likely need to use your Aisensy API key for this step, so grab that from your Aisensy settings. It's time to map the data. Here, you'll map the columns from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in your WhatsApp message template. For example, map the phone number column to the recipient's phone number field. Let's test it out. Click Test Action to send a test WhatsApp message. Double check that the message looks correct and the data is being populated properly. Almost there. Once you're happy with the test, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Google Sheets to Aisensy using Zapier, automating your WhatsApp communication based on your spreadsheet data.